Yo, what up, homies? So today I'm going to install the MaxpeedingRods coilovers for the E36 Drift Car. Check it out. So I'm gonna be starting with the rears because the front I still gotta do some tightening on the tie rods. So let's do it. And boom, there you go. This is easy. So now I gotta remove the carpet from the back to get to the tower. There you go. And I'm gonna use the jack for a little bit of support, so I'm just gonna put it up a little bit. The rears are super easy. It's just that bolt right there. I believe it's an 18 or 19, I'm not too sure. And then it's the other two up top right there, which is I already showed you in the trunk. So yeah, so the size is an 18. Perfect. And then those two on the top are 13s. And then now I'm gonna remove it from here. There you go. And this is a great way to do it if you don't have someone to help you. Just put the jack right there and then slowly go up until it's flush. And now you can tighten it up over here. Oh shoot, over here. See? Makes it way easier. Oops. Now it needs to be raised so it can go in right there. Do this slowly with the jack. So now I just gotta do the fronts. So now I got it off all from the bottom. Now I just gotta do the top. Just gotta find a way to get it out. Oh no! Don't damage my lines. Oh, yeah.